Hey, Kel, where are we going?
We're at Ayala by the bay right now, and we're going to a Beyblade tournament.
Do you think we're gonna get destroyed?
Yeah, maybe. Let's see. Hey, let's go.
Okay, Kel, where are we?
We're at Toys R Us.
Do you think you will win?
Maybe yeah, maybe not. Not me.
Yeah, what's your base? Pretty good. So the goat is here. What are you doing? Are you gonna join?
Nope.
Okay. Are you nervous?
Yes.
Are you nervous?
Yes. Very.
Okay. The goat, oh. The goat.
Tired of bursting.
Yeah, that was his last dance. He's retired. My king! My goat! Okay!
Look, it's actually.
It's about to be a battle.
These little kids.
Wait.
Oh, wait, is that the right spot?
Yeah. Okay, Kim, go there.
Kim, go there. Go there. You can do this.
Like,
You can do this.
go, Kim!
Let's go, Kim. Straight.
No.
What bit? What bit?
Jump. No po ng sisi jump.
The red.
Winner po lapit dito.
I'm 16. Huh? You won. Keep swinging. Yes? Keep swinging. Why didn't she use it? Or did she just buy it for the launch?
Okay.
Let's go to the swing. Guys, we look at swing.
Oh, no,
What's
third
bits
swing.
on House Hammer?
Because she's a defense.
Time? Time?
Let's see, let's see. Ah.
Yeah, why not?
Uy! Uy, no.
You didn't launch right.
What bit is Hellhammer?
Oh,
Yes, sir.
I think Hexam. He actually locks in now. I'm gonna get a warning, bro. I'm gonna get warnings. I legit am gonna get a warning.
Quiet.
Let's go. Excuse me.
Oh, okay.
Let's be the Chloe dito for a second. I'm so freaking nervous. I'm so scared for Kim. Wait, she might have chance. Trial? Yeah, trial.
Wait.
This is too much.
Uy!
Is that Ariel?
Ariel.
Ariel?
Next battle, 12.
Ariel? Ariel?
Second ball, 19.
Uy! 19 daw. Are you 16?
Yeah, I'm 16. No, I'm 91.
Wait. Wait.
I'm still
Stand
on
by po, number
Yeah!
16. Stand by.
Right now, we are at Dico Mamba. I don't know. Wait, okay. Okay, I think that's Hellside versus
Music
Phoenix.
side. That's Titan Sendio.
Wait. Coaching. Golem Rock! Oh my God. Ooh! What time is it then?
It's clobbering time.
Let's go!
Ano na, recall lang na. Hindi ko nga pakol mo sa balik.
Ooh! What time is it, Kel?
It's clobbering time.
Pasok na po number 9 and 11.
We got Phoenix Saint versus Golden Wiro. Let's do this. Okay. Quiet. Uy!
What's the score?
3-0. Oh no, Wiro.
Bad thing is,
Uy, Beyblade mo yan, tatayo.
when
The blue.
the opponent has more points than you, you'll be like scared. So,
Okay, so you lost. What's your reaction?
luckily I won one round.
And you're goated.
And I had fun.
Elijah, ito rin sisi ka na.
Let's go!
Iba yung sisi ka.
3 and 3 9.
Betis! Hey, LeBron!
Stand
LeBron
by.
James!
45. 25. Stand by. 4-5 and 2-5.
Kulang.
Let's go, let's
Pasok na po, 45-25 sa dulo. Next, 32.
Lord, Lebron! Lebron, you won?
Second battle for top 16 sa dulo. 25 and 4. 3-9.
Boss. Wala pa boss, 1-0 pa lang.
First base lang.
2-0. First.
Giliano, standby. Second runner-up,
Video man.
Joseph Ren Marapao. First runner-up, Elina Alingay.
Sila muna. Hey, sorry. Go there. Okay, go.
And for champion, Giliano.
Sigal, Kim. Come here na. Boys, come on.
All winners now open. Open category winners. Kasama po ang junior. Winners po ng junior. Kasama po. Gitna pa rin yung champion. Congratulations on winners.
Hi guys, we're big family. My son won because I coach him. I
No,
coach him.
I coach him.
I'm the good. I'm the good. I'm the good. It's because of me that you won this. Because of me that you won this. Because of me. Because of me. I'm the one who coached him. I'm the one who motivated him and inspired him. I'm the one.
Okay, so I just won. We just won. First runner-up. Manal pick.